from Faithwood Interiors. We are in Raj Pushpa Regalia now. Here is our client, Mr. Maruti Garu. Sir will share his experience with us now. Sir, please.
Yeah, thank you, Abhinav and Banu. First of all, I want to congratulate both the team. Actually, they work as a team. I don't know, their experiences earlier, but since last 4 months, our journey with Faithwood and his team is, I would say it's a matter of patience. Patience means Faithwood, and the reason I mentioned patience, they have a time to spend with each client, in a dedicated time, I would say. If I say dedicated time, not that, they just come for a visit and, they ask what are you required and they capture the notes and they get it done. No, it's absolutely not. After continuous, reviews and with the people we interacted and previous experiences with, a lot of interior companies we visited personally and we have seen their projects. But only one thing which we like is, they did some projects and they gave the project names. We went and we visited there and, we experienced how their outcome is and output is. So with that, actually, we've chosen Faithwood and, we are happy for that. Our decision is absolutely, we are not regretting and the outcome is excellent and you can see the, end to end, anything you ask, they just don't, say no. But again, they say no when there is really, that is not possible, and also if it is not, worthwhile, and especially the designer, you don't compromise at any point of time. Especially in kitchen, we experienced, and not only, changes, we instead of saying it changes, it is kind of, completely modifying also. If you don't like, if she don't like also, just changing the, completely end to end. That's what we require ultimately, we have one house and we want to make sure our house would be the best house among, any other place. So that has come to reality and here is the house which you can experience, which you can see that.
Thank you so much for your appreciation.
Once again, thank you for your patience, especially Banu and
Thank you so much for your appreciation.
Thank you so much, sir. Meeru and Sirisha madam garu kuda chaala baga support chesaru and taniki madam gariki ela kavalani cheppesi inputs ivvadam dani gurinchi కూర్చొని డిస్కస్ చేసి మంచిగా అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చింది. సో దాని వల్ల నా వల్ల కూడా కాదు, మీరు మేడం నాకు సపోర్ట్ చేయడం వల్ల కూడా అవుట్పుట్ చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Absolutely one. All the very best for your future projects.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, sir.